I'm John Murray. I work in the data science lab at the University of Liverpool. I've been using Defra Data for about 3 years on a regular basis. I've been doing a lot of research work into LiDAR and the other data and merging it with external data sources such as Ordnance Survey to derive insights for insurance, for utilities, for understanding neighbourhoods better. And my reason for coming along today is to ask the question, with emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, how is this going to change the way we deliver data? How is it going to change the impact, and what effect does that have? How can it help? I see it as a feedback loop, and I got some excellent feedback on that session. And it can also things like introducing crowdsourcing, assisted crowdsourcing.
You've had good feedback this morning, that's been useful.
Excellent.
What can Defra do next for people like yourself who are using Defra's data?
One thing I think Defra should look at is possibly having more feedback, so inviting users to talk about case studies. I think one of the sessions I'm looking forward to this afternoon is how you can increase external engagement, so that's working with universities and private sector companies and looking externally. That's come up today as to what other organisations in the public sector are doing with data. So I think it's more about, in this environment where costs are challenged, about looking for shared resources. How can we share things? Where are the economies of scale?
You get more joined up.
More joined up government, more joined up data.
What are you doing next? What's next for Murray Data?
What's next? Well, we're working very much on carrying on from where we were. The LiDAR software that worked previously has considerably evolved. It's now at a point where it's mature and in live production since the 1st of September. It's been in beta test prior to that. Artificial intelligence is one way. So how can we segment a LiDAR image? What objects can we see and how can we interpret that image? Can computers help us interpret data through artificial intelligence? So it's essentially a computer's reading a map, but not just reading the map, it's reading data from other sources such as the Defra, such as LiDAR. Is there a pub? Things that insurance companies are interested in. They're interested in the environment, the property, the characteristics of the properties. They're also interested in local crime rates, which they've got. Is there a pub nearby? Food Standards Agency tells us, is there a pub nearby? Is there a takeaway nearby? And what quality is it? And so you start, when you join that data to crime data and other aspects, you get some very valuable insights that previously were very difficult because they were so disparate to join up.